Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can activate the pairing mode manually on your Denon headphones. So to do this, first of all we have to power off our headphones by using this power button. Be sure that it's turned off, and to check it you can just click on each button, and when the indicator is not activated it means that the device is turned off. And to activate the pairing mode you have to click and hold this power button until this indicator starts blinking white. So let's do this right now together. Click and hold this power button and take a look for the indicator. Right now we can release. As you can see, it's blinking. So if you want to pair it with any of the Bluetooth devices, like on the iPhone, you can just go to the Bluetooth settings. Oh, let me just unpair this previously connection. And as you can see, our headset appears right here, so we can click on it once. If it is not working, don't worry, you can just simply power off the device and then simply turn it on back. And try to select your Denon headphones one more time. As you can see right now, we are successfully connected, and that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.